back guys to another tutorial from Blender. So welcome to Teens Club. If you're new, so make sure to subscribe. And today I'm going to show you how to put an add-on that comes with Blender. Actually we have to download it from Google to Blender. So you will see what is it. It will be the building add-on in Blender. So let's just open a window in Google and search add-on building for Blender. I always use the github.com. It has all the add-ons, so when you come up here, just click clone or download the zip. Now it's downloaded. So let's go to Blender again. Go to edit, preferences, and then install. Let's go to downloads and then building tools and just wait, enable, and then just close it. You won't see any changes, but when you open the list on the side, you can see the building tools. Let's just delete everything first, X delete, and then add a floor. So you can just scale it up and let's just add it again. When you open this, you will see a list. Just click on it. You have rectangular, circular, composite, composite, edge shape, and random. I will take this one. This is like a, you can just make a hospital from it. Let's make the length 2 for everything almost. So yes, like this. But I don't want this one, and just make it like this. When you go to edit mode, and then you can add the floors, the roof, the balcony, stairs, window, door, and multi-group. I will show you how it's done. So first of all, select your mesh, add floors. When you add one floor, you can see down here, floor count. We can just make it 10. We can make a hotel. We can make it 3. For now, I'm going to make it 3. So this is the floor height. The floor height is how tall do you want your building is. So I will leave it as 2. And then the slab thickness. The slab outset. Let's leave it as 0.5. And then let's add a roof. You can add lots of kinds of roofs. We have flat, gable, hip. I like actually gable, but it doesn't show for me. So let's add the roof again. We will take hip. Hip is like this. The thickness, the outside, and the height. So I'll go, let's try the gable. It doesn't work. Okay, let's take the hip. Now let's add a door for this building. So like actually yes, let's add a door. Just delete this face. I'm going to just delete these faces. You can edit your house that you are making. So now I'm just going to fill this. So So I fixed the problem, but still I did not add the roof again. So now I'm going to select this face and then add a door. The door, when you add a door, you can see down here, add a door. The size of the X and the Y. The offset that you can remove, I'm going to leave it 0. The count, you can make it 2 doors, 10 doors, as you wish. But for me, 1 door is enough. So 1 door. And then just make it big again, like this. I'm going to make a double door. So just check the box and then you have a double door. When you add it, you can see the frame depth, the frame thickness. So I will show what are these. Frame depth is the like the thickness of the depth or the extrusion of it. So we have frame thickness, how thick we want the frame, and we have the door depth. I will leave the door depth as 0.05. That's enough. And then I am just going to add a handle to it. Just select your door and then I to inset, scale on the Y, E to extrude, and then just making a simple handle. Let's add a let's first of all save this file, because sometimes when you use this, you can Blender just crashes. So I will save it as building or build, just for this tutorial. And let's add a windows here. So like these faces and then add window. You will see the small looking windows. Just make the depth of the window 0.5. Yes, it's okay. And then the size, we'll just make it like this. The fill, let's make it bars. So, or we can make it none. Today I'm going to use none. So let's add a balcony in these two. Add balcony and then grab it down. So on the X, nothing. Let's make it just tall. Save. And we have our balcony. Let's add a door so the people can enter. So we have our doors also. Let's make it a one shaped door. Let's make it small like this. And behind it, let's add actually what we can do, we can just grab the building up. I'm going to add stairs. So add stairs. Oh, I did not select it. Or so yeah, here we have the stairs. Let's just grab it in front of the building. Let's go to side view, then grab it to the side like this. I'm just going to make it simple. Like this. So we can just add how much long we want For me, let's add 3. So let's make it posts is good, and let's take slope, or no, actually, how is blocked? No, let's take filled. The bottom type is this type. If you will make it filled, it will be like this. Slope will be cutted, the extra pieces, and blocked will be like piece of blocks. So I'm going to take filled. So let's go to the side view, and then let's shift A, add a cube, scale it on the X, and then let's add a loop cut here, or let's just delete it. Faces, go to side, Alt Z, select your stairs. Let's first of all put it for now right over there. Let's add the cube again. Scale on the X, scale on the Z, grab on the Z, and now we have our piece of block. Now let's just scale it on the Y. And select our stairs, grab X or Y, yes Y, and let's add the stairs again because I added a piece of block so it's small now. Add stairs again. Let's just make it taller. So that's enough. Let's move it. Let's do -1. Let's make it in front of the door like this. So now our building is completed. I will show you what is multi-group. Multi-group is the door and the window are together. I will show you. Just selecting this face at the middle. Add multi-group. You will see now. You can just change the fill type. You can add planes or anything, but I won't add for now. So save your project, and then thank you for watching. Now I'm going to show you a faster view for making a house. So keep watching. So now you can see I've just finished modeling a house in Blender. So I added a lamp and made a house with a balcony, 2 mirrors and stairs, and one door and floor and a lamp. So let's just try to make it in cycles. I'm just going to see. So let's take it in EV. Let's just shade smooth or no, flat is much better. Let's just render the image, and we had finished our first part of this series. Or we can see the door is, we can see it's 1. So let's just fix that. Select your door, go tab, select this edge, and then Shift D, add a new, assign it. I'm just trying. So now it's much better. Let's see how does it look. It is an edge, so it won't come, so there's no we can't fix it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments. Bye.